How to submit a Google Doc in Canvas. It's now easier than ever to turn in your class assignments. All you need is Canvas and your Google Drive. In your Canvas class, go to the Modules tab, and then click on the assignment that you want to turn in. Then click the blue Submit Assignment button. In the submission box below, click the Google Drive tab. Make sure you click Google Drive, not Google Doc. The first time you submit an assignment, you need to authorize your account. Click the blue Authorize button at the bottom of the screen. Then you need to log in to your Compass Gmail account. Select your account or log in, and then click the blue Allow button in the pop-up screen. Now that your account is authorized, all of your folders and documents will appear in the submission box. All you need to do is find the assignment you want. If you know the name of it, type it into the search bar, and it should appear in the submission box. You can also search for your document in your folders. It helps if you have a folder for each class. All you need to do is click on the folder, and then click on the assignment. Once you have selected your assignment, just click on the blue Submit button. In the next screen that appears, double-check that you have selected the correct assignment. Then click Submit Assignment. A pop-up window will tell you that your submission is being processed. Just click OK, and it will take you back to the assignment screen. If everything went well, you'll see a check mark and the word Submitted. Then you're good to go. Great work, Gators, and thank you for helping to make this a wonderful school year.